we cook this rice for our grandson who is visiting us for the New Year Eve day for the lunch, and the lunch included the rice and the chicken and the broccoli and the carrots and corn. So many items have been cooked. We love cooking for him, and we cook it with the passion. And the grandma did all the cooking, and look at the chicken pieces there. And also we have added the kids spices like turmeric, ginger, garlic, and the black pepper. So give a little bit of spicy flavor. He usually take that kid spices, no problem with that. That's one way of introducing healthy, nutritious spices with the meal. That the sticky rice, the special sticky rice that we cook, and so they become mixed very well with blended very well with the vegetable and chicken, and taste fantastic. Thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate your watching of this video and other video of our channel, and appreciate your subscription to our YouTube channel.